Hello, I'm Dr. Noelle Lucas from the Blue Oasis Pet Hospital, and I'm here to talk to you a little bit about your dog's hygiene and grooming. And I have an assistant with me who's going to ask me a few questions. And this little guy right here is one of our patients, Bandit, and he's also just going to hang out with us.
So, Dr. Lucas, what's a good hygiene regimen for a dog?
So a good hygiene regimen is ideally, at least once a week you're going to be maybe checking the nail care in your dog, making sure their bottoms are clean, making sure their little vulva, little potty areas are kept clean and of debris, maybe even flipping their ears and giving a quick look, and maybe even a sniff test, just to make sure that you're constantly looking for any health needs that they may have.
Does keeping my dog clean contribute to good health?
Absolutely. So keeping your dog clean contributes to good health in multiple ways. Just keeping the skin clean will prevent maybe some allergy flares. It will help keep the skin clean and reduce risk of infection. Keeping the bottom clean will keep from having itchy booties. Keeping hair and eyes clean will prevent maybe some irritations around the eyes. So good hygiene is very important for your dog's health.
Is brushing my dog's teeth important to overall hygiene?
Well, yes. Ideally, all dogs should have their teeth brushed daily. That's a big ask for a lot of clients and a lot of our patients. And we do have some that won't accept that as a daily routine. However, we know that good dental health is part of overall health. And so keeping your pet's teeth clean keeps them healthier and is part of just good hygiene.
How do I find the right bathing products and how do I clean their paws?
Great question. So the right bathing products, there are just several on the market. So I think it just comes down to just personal preference. What's the smell and the goal that you're looking for, just like how we kind of pick our own shampoos out. I would say that I would never recommend you using your own human shampoos or even baby shampoo. We should not be using those on our dogs. We would just want to use a good general bathing product. If you need guidance, ask your veterinarian for specific recommendations, but there are lots of sources for just good dog shampoos and conditioners. And keeping the feet clean, we actually recommend baby wipes, just non-scented. So when they come in from outside, you might just take them a quick moment, have a baby wipe by the door, and just take a quick wipe of their paws to keep those clean.
Why is it important to clean my dog's bed bowls, collars, leashes, and toys?
Yeah, so all of those have sources of bacteria that can build up, especially in the dog bowls, the food bowls, and the water bowls. Those are areas, if you don't keep them clean, ideally daily washing of those bowls or even throwing them in the dishwasher would be a great idea, because that will keep bacteria and infectious disease down.
What's some signs and symptoms to look for when you're looking for disease and poor hygiene in a dog?
So when you have poor hygiene, you'll often see maybe matted fur, maybe hair loss. A dog might start to itch or chew at their hair coat. They may even start to overgroom and chew at their feet. We can see dogs get so heavily matted with their ears that it actually kind of mats their ear to them, and it will hide parasites like fleas and ticks can hide under, and even infections if we don't have well-maintained hygiene of your pet.
How can my vet help me with the dog hygiene issues?
So just taking your dog to the vet and just having them have a good physical exam. We can find where there might be some matting. We can help maybe remove some of those mats while you're at the veterinarian. If we feel like this is a lot of hygiene that needs to be done and we feel that your pet may need to see a groomer, we're going to make a recommendation for you to do so. But overall hygiene is something that is just part of normal dog care. And then if you have any specific questions about your dog and dog grooming or hygiene, don't hesitate to reach out to your veterinarian, or if you're in the area, please reach out to Blue Oasis Pet Hospital. We'd love to see you. Right, Bandit?